Quality improvement in maths education. Video based PPT presentation 2019. Myself, Mr. Dadu Madhukar Kumbar. My registration number is MTE184. The topic name is circle and subtopic is cyclic quadrilaterals. My school name is Devali Vidyalaya Junior College Devali, Taluka Panala, District Kolhapur. Step 1. Observe and explore. Watch this video. Observe this image. Now, what is your observations? Which shape you see in this video and images? Think about that and write your answer in your notebooks. Now, some activities for students. Students activity sheet number 1. Draw a circle with 4 cm. Take any 4 points A, B, C, D on circle and join them as making quadrilateral and do the following activity in table. First, you measure angle A and write answer in table. Then measure angle B, measure angle C and measure angle D and write your answers in this table. Now add measure angle A and angle C and also add measures angle B and angle D and think about what is your conclusions. Discuss yourselves and come on the conclusions. What is your conclusions? Now, second activity for students. Draw a circle with radius 4 cm. Take vertices A, B, C, D on circle and join them as making quadrilateral and do the following activity. Cut the angle A and attach to angle C. Observe which type of these angles. Similarly, cut angle B and attach to angle D. Observe which type of this angle. Now do these activities as like. Draw a circle with 4 cm radius. Cut this circle separately by scissor and take vertices on the circle. Name as A, B, C and D. By using scale, Join these vertices A and B, B and C. C and D, and last D and A, you get here one quadrilateral. So which type of this quadrilateral? Think about this. Now you cut angle A by scissor. Separate this angle from quadrilateral. Put this angle aside from circle. Now you cut angle C as similar angle A. Put this angle or attach to angle A. We get here pair of these angles A and C. Observe this which type of pair of angles. Similarly, you cut angle B. Same activity for angle D. Now attach to this angle B and D. You get here a linear pair of angles. So there are two linear pair of angles. We may call here these supplementary angles. Now step 2, define and prove. Definition of cyclic quadrilateral we see here. Draw first circle and quadrilaterals. Name this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now definition of this cyclic quadrilateral is if all vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we see one more related terms of these cyclic quadrilaterals. Inscribed angles. See in this figure. In this figure, C is the center of a circle. The vertex D of angle PDQ lies on the circle. The arms of angle PDQ intersect the circle at A and B. Such an angle is called an angle inscribed in the circle or in the arc. And measure angle ADB is equal to 1/2 measure arc ARB. Now second term, intercepted arc. See this figure. In this figure, the arc of a circle that lies in the interior of the angle ABC is an arc intercepted by the angle ABC. Here we see arc ARC. Now we see theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. The statement of theorem as opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Draw the figure first and name this according to statements. We see here first given part. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now to prove, in this figure, angle B and angle D are opposite angles, and you prove here angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. As like second statements, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now we see here how to prove this theorem. Arc ABC intercepted by the inscribed angle ADC. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to 1/2 measure arc ABC. This is the statement number 1. Similarly, angle ABC is an inscribed angle. It intercepts arc ADC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure arc ADC. This is statement number 2. Now from 1 and 2, we get angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure arc ABC plus 1/2 measure arc ADC. Now in these two terms, we see here so 1/2 is common. Take this out of bracket, and in bracket we write here measure arc ABC plus measure arc ADC. Now here measure arc ABC plus measure arc ADC, that becomes one circle, that is a complete circle, and measure of complete circle is 360. Therefore we write here 1/2 into 360 degree. By simplifying this, we get here 180 degree. That means angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here this theorem is proved. Now step 3, apply and evaluate. We see here example number 1. Quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic, side PQ congruent side RQ, and angle PSR is equal to 110 degree. Find number 1 measure angle PQR, number 2 measure arc PQR, number 3 measure arc QR, number 4 measure angle PRQ. Solution: quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. In this figure, angle PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree because opposite angles of quadrilaterals are supplementary. Therefore, we know here angle PSR is equal to 110 degree. So put this value here. Angle PSR become here 110 degrees plus PQR is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. By simplifying this, angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Now second, angle PSR is equal to 1/2 measure arc PQR because inscribed angle theorem. Put the value angle PSR, that is 110 degree, is equal to 1/2 measure arc PQR. By simplifying this, on right side there is 2, it is take on LHS, it become multiple with 110 degree is equal to measure arc PQR. Therefore, measure arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Now third, chord PQ congruent chord QR. Arc PQ congruent arc QR because arcs corresponding to congruent chords. Let measure arc PQ is equal to measure arc QR is equal to X. Therefore, arc addition postulates, we get here measure arc PQ plus measure arc QR is equal to measure arc PQR. Therefore, after putting the value of this arc, we get here new equation x plus x is equal to 220 degree. By addition of these two, 2x is equal to 220 degree. By simplifying this, x is equal to 110 degree. So that is simple answer for this. Measure arc PQ is equal to 110 degree and measure arc QR is equal to 110 degree. Now fourth part of this question, angle PRQ is equal to 1/2 measure arc PQ because inscribed angle theorem. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 1/2 into 110 degree. We get after simplifications angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Now one more second example we see here. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Measure arc ABC is equal to 220 degree. Find angle ABC, angle CDA, angle CBE. So we see our solution of this. angle CDA is equal to 1/2 major arc ABC because inscribed angle theorem. Therefore, put up the value of this major arc ABC. We get here angle CDA is equal to 1/2 into 220 degree. By simplifying this, angle CDA is equal to 110 degree. This is equation number 1. Now, angle ABC plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degree because these two angles is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. By putting the value of angle CDA, that means 110 degree, we get here new equations. Angle ABC plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. By simplifying this, angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degrees. So we get our answer, angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Now last one, angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree because these two angles are in a linear pair. Put the value of angle ABC, which is a 70 degree, plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. By simplifying this, angle CBE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle CBE is equal to 110 degree. Thank you.